Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can add a team member to your conversation on Slack. So let us get started. In the first step, head over to your Slack workspace, and here on the left hand side, inside your workspace, you will see a list of all of your associated channels, as well as all chats you have had or have with your team members listed here. So what you want to do, guys, to start a conversation with 2 or more team members is simple. All you will need to do, guys, is hover your mouse over direct messages here and click on the plus icon here to the right to start a new conversation. Alternately, you may use the shortcut Ctrl-N on your keyboard. So let me do that really quickly. After that, you will see that chat popping up here to the right. So if at the top where it says to, you may add your first interlocutor, like for example, this team member here or the Slack bot, just by left clicking on it. That is going to add the given team member to your conversation. So you can start the conversation by using the text box here at the bottom. Now to make this a group chat, guys, and to add another or even multiple team members, simply repeat the same process. Left click here where it says to next to the first team member and type in the first or the first couple of letters of the username, for example, you would like to add. So let me go, for example, with that user here with the letter T. Left click on the given user to add him or her to the given conversation. And that's basically it, guys. If you take a look at the text box here at the bottom, you will see that now you can message multiple users at once with one message. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you add team members to your group conversations on Slack. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.